fine.
Did you hear something?
It's a Woody Woodpecker, LA. Where is it, gentlemen?
Here you are.
Whoa!
What the heck are you?
Now it's your turn.
Now it's your turn.
Show me what you got.
The puppet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sing.
Wow. You
Wow.
are really cool for a woodpecker.
Oh yeah.
Are those peanut butter bunkers?
Are those peanut butters?
Peanut butter? Come on, brother.
You tickle ya.
Spread the love. Hook me
Come on,
up.
brother.
What are you trying to tell me?
Humans. You gotta spell everything out for them.
Oh,
Oh,
you're hungry. You want a peanut butter bun?
we're twins.
Oh,
Oh man. Swallow.
you like that?
Even better than beetle larva. Which, if you haven't tried, is quite good when in season.
Have another?
Don't gotta ask me twice.
Yeah.
Another.
It's okay. Yes. Got it.
Hey, don't let
Hey.
that mushy music fool you.
Can
We're
I
not
need your
friends
help?
or anything. I'm only doing this for the free food.
We're twins.
I'm gonna call you Woody. You like that name? Woody?
And
I'm
Fox?
gonna call you kid who just ran out of bonkers. See ya.